Okay, I know I said yield is going to be 3 parts, but I lied. So it's just going to be 2, and we're going to move on to blocks and procs. So blocks are not objects, and this is one of the very few exceptions to the everything is an object rule in Ruby. Because of this, blocks can't be saved to variables and don't have all the powers and abilities of a real object. For that, we'll need procs. A proc is a saved block. Just like you can give a bit of code, a name, and turn it into a method, you can name a block and turn it into a proc. So procs are great for keeping your code dry, and dry stands for don't repeat yourself. That's a paradigm we'll be learning a lot more about. With blocks, you can, with blocks you have to write your code out each time you need it, and with a proc, you write your code out once and you can use it many times. So here's an example. So we've got a name here. This is going to be the name of our proc, and proc is just written in 2 different ways. Yeah, I'll show you real quick. So proc.new, and then we do the do end block right at the end of it, right? And oh yeah, wait, let's do the ampersand sign also. But wait, so I want to say you could also multiples. You can also write this as in this squiggly brace fashion as well, right? So so in 3 equals 0. Okay, so you also write it either way, either block fashion. So you see, it's basically a block is sitting at the end of this, right? So our block, and then we say proc.new. We feed the block to proc.new, and that then becomes, we equal that to, we assign that to, the name of what we're naming the proc. So here we are saving our block, right? Turn it into a proc and giving it a name. So now the ampersand sign, or also known as the pretzel. The ampersand tells Ruby to turn the proc into a block. We want to use this thing. So here I've got a range of 1 to 100, and I'm telling it to turn that into an array. And running this .select method on it and feeding the proc into it, and it will be converted as a block because of this ampersand sign. So let's see what happens if I were to run this. I'm actually going to hide this guy up here so it doesn't give me an error message about that one being there. Or did I run you? Let's see. There we go. Whee! So now we see, geez, if I can stop clearing my throat. Now we can see the result of running this sucker. Yay, right. Okay. So yeah, we'll be seeing that a little bit more in the next couple of videos.